Kia ora. We are learning to use onomatopoeia to engage the reader when we are writing. Onomatopoeia is a noun, the formation of a word from a sound associated with what is named. An example is cuckoo or sizzle. The use of onomatopoeia for literary effect can really engage your reader and allow them to conjure up some good images and sounds in their mind. Onomatopoeia is a type of word that sounds like what it describes. Examples: buzz, whoosh, boom. Here are some different examples you can have a look at that I have taken off from different variations from the internet. We've got swoosh, poof, boom, pop, splash, crash, screech. There are quite a few. Pause the video and have a read. See if they all make sense. Could you use them in your writing? Here is an example of a small piece of writing. As I was glancing across the mall, looking longingly at the beautiful bright balloons, I was suddenly distracted by bang, pop, pop, bang. Oh no, I cried. One by one, the shimmering sea of colourful shaped balloons were popping. Slow bursts at first, then pop, bang, whiz. They were swishing and swishing through the air. If you pause the video, can you count how many examples of onomatopoeia are in that small piece of writing? Did you guess correct? I spotted 10 examples of onomatopoeia used in that writing paragraph. Your turn. Write your own onomatopoeia to engage the reader. Bring at least 3 different versions of onomatopoeia down to your workshop. Make sure you use these onomatopoeia words in your writing to engage the reader. Until next time.